Hi, I'm Don from DonDronesOn. If you've ever been baffled by the stuttering series of weird abbreviations and NOTAMs, then fear not. Drone Pilot Canada version 3.9 provides automatic acronym and short form translations for NOTAMs. Plus, we've made it easier to load custom checklists directly into the app. Let's check out the details. NOTAMs are notices to airmen, basically warnings to airspace users of some event that affects aircraft, maybe temporary restrictions to flight, or urgent corrections to official airspace-related documents. Now, for drone pilots, it is imperative to be aware of temporary airspace closures announced by NOTAMs, and for that reason, Drone Pilot Canada shows NOTAM zones right on the main map screen, as well as in other areas such as flight plans. So tapping on the map screen shows you details about a NOTAM. In the latest release, when you tap on a NOTAM area, not only are things like date and time information decoded for you, but also the abbreviations in the NOTAM text. Here's an example from around Moose Jaw, where there's a NOTAM for an air show. Everything that's shown in italics is the expansion of an acronym or NAV Canada short form of some sort. If you tap on this text, you can see the original NOTAM with the original abbreviations. Here they are side by side, where you can see that AD, for example, has been expanded to aerodrome, and EXC has been expanded to accept. Now, it's not perfect because in some cases NAV Canada uses the same abbreviation for slightly different things in different contexts, but it helps to make the complicated wording a bit easier to read. NOTAM text is expanded when you tap on the map, when you do an airspace assessment function, and in flight plans and site surveys. Another new feature in Drone Pilot Canada version 3.9 is the ability to import custom checklists directly into the app. So watch this. Tap on Checklists, then on New Checklist. Okay, first you need to provide a name for your new checklist, and I'll say Example. Hit OK. And now you can hit Import from File. Just find your checklist text file on your device and select it. And here it is, a very simple checklist. The format for checklist text files is described in another video, and I'll leave a link for that in the description below. We've also made a few bug fixes in this release, as well as streamlined the user interface a bit, particularly on Android. Enjoy! If you're already a Drone Pilot Canada user, upgrading to this release is absolutely free. We don't believe in subscription plans or irritating things like that. Drone Pilot Canada, built by Canadians for Canadian drone pilots.